Telegram password forgot. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can actually reset our password if you happen to forget them, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to reset the password if you happen to forget them, open the Telegram application here and then just make sure to go ahead and then first of all basically enter your phone number here. Once you enter your phone number, it will send a code to Telegram, but you can also tap to get a code via SMS and then verify it automatically. Once you basically go ahead and verify the code, if you have set up a password, it is going to ask you for a password. But if you don't remember the password, you can just tap the forgot password button that you can find here. It's going to send a code to this email on which you have added your two-factor authentication account. So you have to make sure to tap the continue option here, and now just wait until you simply get that email from Telegram over here. So we are also going to wait until we receive a certain email. Once we enter the code that we receive on our email, we will be able to go ahead and then basically reset our password. This way you can reset our Telegram password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.